Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have seen a good drop towards the end of the US cash session. Now today, very important day for the US markets as the global world and the US markets are waiting for the key inflation data from the US that will decide the further course of action for the Fed and for the economy as well. So trade safely, trade with stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Markets may act volatile. Now let's start. First we look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Now let's have a look at the hourly chart. For NASDAQ 100 you will find, see, it has seen a good drops here, got the support at 10,800, trying to reverse the now couple of retracement candles, now again trying to drop, but see, till the time it trades above 10,800, rather I will say 10,780, which is a major support. Below 10,780 certainly you can remain short on NASDAQ 100. You can expect a sharper drop. Below 10,780, 10,700, 10,700 is the major support, and then it is going to crash strongly on the downside towards 10,550, 10,400 levels. The directional movement on the hourly charts is bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is on the looking forward to a bullish crossover. Let's see if it does. RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. But a retracement cannot be denied from here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, see, it is signaling a reversal here, but at the same time failing to sustain about 10,850. So yes, you can buy at 10,850, but the next target is not far away at 10,920 zone. Yes, 10,920 may provide a little resistance. Beyond that, you can expect further more rise, which will take it till towards 11,000, and then till 11,100. Do not consider this as bullish and do not consider this as reversal. That should be a retracement which can be expected. So buy at 10,850 and stay long. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic trading oversold. MACD trading bearish. It is trying to converge here. RSI trading near to bottom. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, you will find that it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Remember, it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel. This was the lows. If this to be considered as bottom, 11,200 should be considered as the highs of this channel. Hence 10,800, 11,200, this appears to be a good trading range with the volatility which we are expecting. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading oversold, hence a little rise cannot be denied. The MACD is trading bearish and it has seen the highs. Probably it may converge from here, and the RSI is also trying to look upwards. Now look at the daily charts or 4-hour charts first. On the 4-hour charts, see, higher lows, lower highs. It is still trying to take a direction. Possibly once you see it trading about 10,850, we may see 10,920, and then beyond plus levels can be expected till 11,100 first resistance and 11,200 second resistance. We cannot consider this as bullish. Remember this fact. Also, if you see the 4-hour charts, it is trying to trade in this channel. Remember, we had seen the highs out there at 11,200, so which is the next zone. If it continues to trade bullish from here, probably a rise cannot be denied. At the same time, 10,780, yes, you can expect a drop. If it trades below 10,780, you can expect 10,700, 600, and then below levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is just crossed over. This is just second red candle, hence little more bearishness can be expected here as per the MACD on the 4-hour charts. Now coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. Now see, retracement, a sharp red candle, and yes, if it breaches below this zone at 10,750 levels, you can expect that it is going to look forward to another round of good drop. Till the time it trades about 10,750, 10,780 rather I will say, you can expect that there could be a potential reversal which can be expected, and it can resume the bullish trend which was there since last few days. Hence, you have to stay cautious. Also look at this. If you consider the lows there, 10, 600, 650 levels should be the major support on the near term. And yes, on the upside, there are resistance at 11,200 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic converging again for a drop, MACD is trading bearish and RSI trading flat. Considering this, only sell today if you see NASDAQ 100 trading below 10,780, below that 10,750 or 10,740 is the first support, 10,700 is the second support, then I will look forward to 10,650, 600 and then 500, 450 levels. 450 is the second bottom or the double bottom which it will look forward to. Below 10,450 it is going to look forward to a stronger crash on the downside. On the upside, buy at 10,850, expect 10,910, 10,970, 11,000 as the max resistance. Beyond that 11,050, 11,100. Till 11,100 do not consider this as bullish. In fact, till 11,200 do not consider this as bullish. Possibility exists that it can give you good swings and hence trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Likewise, US30 after looking to a good fall, it is given you a retracement with higher lows and this time it is trying to continue with the bearish momentum again. Any drop below 32,500, you can rather I will say 32,480, you can stay short, then you can expect 32,400, 32,300 as the major support. Now see this. This is a good support zone on the early charts till 32,000 and below 32,000 levels it is going to give it a very strong drop on the downside. So sell at 32,480 levels only. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising from the bottom, but see it is just with the 50 points of rise it is come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable. Now look at the MACD, this is trading extremely bearish, probably it can converge from here, again show you good swing on the upside. RSI trading at the bottom, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, now see this, it is trading below the 20 and 100 period, 50 period moving average here on the 2-hour charts. At the same time, it has shown the reversal here. Yes, possibility exists that we may see it rising a little. 32, 600, 650, 700 till 32, 800. Rather, till 32, 800 do not consider that it is looking forward to a stronger rise. Yes, possibility exists that it may hit 32, 800 for once. So till the time it trades above 32, 480, I will expect it to rise, but below 32,480 you can expect 32,400 and then below that certainly more drop can be expected. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is trading oversold, hence a rise cannot be denied. The MACD is bearish, it may try to convert, the RSI trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. On the upward, the bullishness is not very much there, but yes, if first 32,600 then 32,800, these are the good resistance zone. There could be a possibility that 32,600, 700, 740, 800 levels can be seen again today, and from there we decide which direction it wants to take. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, and if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish, it is still got scope for it to continue with the bearish momentum, but at the same time the other indicators must also come into line. Right now they are indicating a little oversold indication and hence a little rise or retracement cannot be denied. RSI trading flat there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts similar is the observation. The candle is willing to take a shape and possibly 32, 650, 700 levels cannot be denied on the upside, and then 32, 740, 800 levels, 800 is going to be the maximum resistance. Beyond that we may see it flying high. Now see on the 4-hour charts, first thing is higher highs are seen, second thing is higher lows are seen, and hence till 32, 300 levels there is a possibility of a reversal again on the upside. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic oversold, the MACD has crossed over and it is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading at the bottom, so mixed indication. At the same time it is oversold, at the same time it is showing you a little bullish momentum on the MACD. Now look at the daily chart, see higher lows, higher highs, Yes, 32,000 below 32,480, 400 levels, you can expect a little more drop till towards 32,000 levels, which is definitely going to be a good support. Remember what it is trying to show you here is higher lows, higher highs, and the possibility for it to come back to 31,000 cannot be denied. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic on the verge of a bearish cross. Remember, on the verge of a bearish cross, a red candle today will take it all. Possibility exists that 32,800 level should be a good entry for you to sell there. The RSI is also trading near to the high. So first thing is 32,480, sell there at 32,480, expected to drop 32,400, 32,300. 32,200 and below 32,200, 32,000, 31,820, 31,700 and 31,500 levels to be seen. So trade accordingly on the upside till 32,800. In fact, 33,000 levels cannot be denied. Buy at 32,5. I will say buy at 32,600 levels and then expected to rise for 32,700, 32,740, 800. In fact, 32,900 and 33,000 levels are the next major resistance level. It can potentially give you a swing till there and then a sharper drop cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not trade between 32,480 and 32,600 or 32,580 levels above and below. Certainly, you can trade with a trailing stop loss. Avoid the volatility. Trade with caution. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.